appreciate you all attending. So what we want to try and do today is accomplish some of your high internal dusting and vacuuming tasks within the SkyVac range, and we've talked comprehensively with Roger within your group in relation to different systems. And today we've chosen a system which is on the upper end in relation to performance. So it is a 10 amp system, so any power point within the shop should be able to cope with a particular system, and we call this the internal 78. So all the vacuums are a wet dry vacuum. Predominantly the primary filter of the vacuum will be a vacuum bag, which in SkyVac's perspective is a high quality vacuum bag. The secondary filter is a cartridge. We can upgrade the secondary filter to a cylindrical HEPA filter for added filtration, and that's often used in sensitive environments, computer rooms and bits and pieces like that. Normally with the internal 78 we have 44mm taper fit poles, which are a push together assembly, thinking above and beyond what you might like to do within your organisation. We've brought along the elite poles, so they're standard kit with external gutter cleaning systems. So you'd be able to then take these poles and reduce ongoing costs to be able to carry out gutter cleaning at a later date, and we can just adapt these poles back to do high internal dusting and vacuuming. The poles themselves, they're a carbon fibre, they're 280 grams each. The base pole that comes standard with the gutter vacuum kit has internal vacuum release and vacuum dump. So in this particular case we won't be using that vacuum dump, but in relation to external gutter cleaning we'll be able to do that. Cameras, there's a few variations in cameras themselves. This particular one I brought today is a recordable camera, so we're able to record pictures and videos. Micro USB or SD card, which can be direct to the phone, computer, to be able to send those photos if you need it for to show your particular customers. We're going to use this to actually carry out the task today, to look at and see what's up there, and carry out some of those inspections, so you can have a bit of a look at that. In relation to array and assortment of brushes, there is a standard kit that comes with the system, and includes these two carbon fibre goosenecks to get into all those necessary areas that you would like. So this is a standard kit. Above and beyond a standard vacuum kit is a 90-degree gooseneck, a 380mm flat brush, and a 200mm curved brush. So those brushes are above and beyond a standard kit, and can be added as required if needed for those particular jobs and tasks. So we'll carry out this particular vacuum task today, and I think there's a few key areas that we're going to target. The vacuum itself is twin motor. Ignore the configuration. We've actually adapted in this particular setup an external gutter vacuum, so we don't have the internal bag, we're just running a HEPA filter. The flex hose will be the same, and the two motors and vacuum head in relation to performance, you'll get a good understanding. So we can pick a few key tasks, and we can start with a flat wall. The flat brushes themselves are sidewinder, so we're able to position those brushes in different manners to be able to carry out those tasks. But we can put the camera up and we can take a look at a few of those tasks before we actually start.